You have some part of the world where general degree have him marketing. We are some of the parts of the world when they say, yo, degree run this so, and certain places you know,
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Giant this summer.
Yeah, man.
No joke.
With songs, what some of the songs are?
So I sound them who don't even know.
Don't ramp with me.
Alright. Same struggle me tell about.
Yeah.
Go to Panama. Big song of Panama. Me never know that till lately.
Yeah.
Big monster song. Bahamas. Me have a song name. You look good enough. General degree tell you. Big monster song of Bahamas. And when me boss me know that. And them song like come out long before. You have a next song name. Stress. Everywhere me look is there. Stress. Everywhere me. Big song of Bahamas again. So you have places where me have song where Jamaica might not know.
Yeah.
Big song here, so Costa Rica me have a song name. Same rhythm where Tana Steven upon. It's a pity. Yeah. My
Jamaican
song.
records.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me depend. It no matter me no care. Big song of Europe in about. Costa Rica. Big song. I mean I talk about the level of traffic blocking and you name it. I remember say cartoon character is one of my biggest songs outside of Jamaica.
Yeah, man, that's a Main Street tune too. Yeah, man.
Main Street tune, but I tell about the magnitude.
Wow.
Cartoon might be a normal tune in Jamaica, but yes, when they go Europe.
Cartoon
First thing, David Rodigan will tell us, say you couldn't play that, no dance, and don't play that song there in Europe. Worse in Africa. When you go certain place, when you go every Spanish country you can think of, we love reggae, cartoon character one of the biggest songs. Right, so. All the cinema going like them run the place. All them run and them come lost in a them race. All them come and go like bad boy too. Them a hoe, Scooby-Doo, cartoon character, yeah.